Hello friends, our today's activity is a painting far away landscape. We're going to do this painting. You can see that my palette is full of colors, but it is okay. Poster colors, if you keep them as it is and then just add a little bit water, they come alive. So your colors are not pasted, and that is what I'm doing here. We're going to hold the paper horizontal. In the most upper part of the drawing sheet, I'm going to draw one uneven horizon line. Can be uneven, up and down, like this. Now I'm going to draw very light 5 or 6 uneven lines below this horizon line. I'm going to start from the bottom first. We are going to paint flowers. So these lines that we are going to draw are just some guiding lines for us to draw the flowers or to paint the flowers. Very lightly. So this first line, I'm going to draw some circles so that you understand that this will be a flower and they will be so big. In our previous class, we have learned how to paint flowers when we did the painting An Art Inspired by Pablo Picasso, Petite Fleur. We have painted direct flowers. So I'm sure you're confident to draw these or paint these. Now in between, so another line, uneven line above the first line, and in between these two circles I'm going to draw another circle. Now this first line circles were of a bigger size. The second line will be slightly smaller than the first. So basically we're drawing field of flowers, or maybe it's a valley of flowers. Just some here and there if you want. You can also draw some half lines. Now the circles that I'm doing are more smaller than the second line. These circles will be just rough guidance for you to directly paint your flowers. As you go above, the size of your circles will reduce, more smaller, and more smaller, just like dots. So you can understand this is a big, slightly small. See, the size of the circle is reducing as you go upwards. So this is just some guideline for you. Now this first line that we drew, the horizon line that we drew, this is going to be our sky. So what I'm going to do is, I'm taking a flat brush which is washed nicely and it is loaded with plain water, and I am giving a small wash of water. You can see very light water, a film of water. Then I will take some blue color and just lightly leave the color or paint the color over the watery. If you feel that your brush is dry, just dip it in the water and paint.